So hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So this video is actually in continuation with the previous video we did in the MATLAB series, the MATLAB playlist that's available in the channel description, as you can see. So this video is about the plotting of graphs that we get from scope. As you know, in various lab subjects, be it power electronics or control system, we just cannot simply screenshot or snip the output that we get from scope. We need to plot it. So this video is about how we are gonna do that. So let's start. Yeah. So first I'll open my half wave rectifier. So yeah, these are just the two experiments. This is with RL load and this is with R load. So what we are gonna do is just first, as you can see, simulation I've done in the previous experiment. So what you can do is just click on scope. Yeah, so this is my output for RL load. So what we are going to do is just go to this file of settings. As you can see, just below file setting. So now four options are there. Main time display. We'll go to logging, the fourth option, logging. Now this value will not be ticked initially, so you just need to take this value log data to workspace. So now we'll be taking this value log data to workspace and make sure that save format is dataset. Now click apply. Don't forget to click this apply and then OK. Once it's done, just cross it and yeah. Now we'll go to this icon, this waveform icon, and just click on it. So this will open. No, we don't know this. We'll just close it. Yeah. So you can see I have these formats. So initially it will be like this, single graph format when you open it. Now I will add my data, right? So just import this. As you can see, this option import. Click on out and import. As you can see, half wave rectifier out has come. So there is a you can see black arrow mark on the side of this. Just click on that arrow mark and there are two options, scope data. Okay, so there's two options, scope data 1. I get two options because I have done two experiments here, two circuits in the same. So if you have done one in, then you just get one scope data. So I'll go back and now we have this 4. And when you will click on this is your first graph, as you remember from the scope, the second, third, and the fourth. So all these are coming in one. No, we don't need this. We want 4 graphs, right? So what we are going to do is just put on this side. So I'll just unselect all of these and I'll go and I'll select this layout option. As you can see, this layout option, and I'll select. As you can see, we cannot have 4 graphs at once. So what I will do is I'll take this 2. So now I have 2 graphs, 1 and 2. Select this as it is highlighted, you can see. So I'll take my first data here. Now I will select this one is highlighted, and I'll select my second, scope 2, second data here. So once it's done, just click on this camera icon, that's snapshot, and select MATLAB figure, and then click on snapshot. So now this is your snapshot. Let's maximize it. So upon maximizing, we get this kind of a figure. As you can see here, this is a snapshot. So now we are going to edit this. As you can see, the line is pretty thin. I need it to be a little more darker. So what I'll do, I'll just click on this arrow and then I'll go to the line and then I'll do right click. So there will be this line width. I'll increase its width to 2.0. Yeah, now it's deep line, it's visible. Same I'll do to this one. I'll go here, right click, make sure that this one is selected. See, if this one is not selected, it will not be highlighted. So make sure this is selected and then you go there, line width. Yeah. So this, now you can see I have X value. I need a value for a name for the Y axis. So go to first unselect this arrow. Yeah. Now go to this insert toolbar, select Y label. So as you can see, Oh, I've selected this, so I'll just click on this one and then I'll click insert and Y label. So as you, I'll write input then insert Y label input for the 2-1. And now what we are going to do is just go to file, save as, and select a location. I'll save it on desktop, so I'll save it as half wave this make sure that this one save as type is usually MATLAB figure by default, as I've already saved it before, that's why it has changed. So make sure you change this MATLAB figure, change it to JPEG format. Okay, so yeah, change it to JPEG format, that is .jpg extension, and then save. So after then you are done. So what you will get after doing this is just go to home. You can see this is your image, right? And same you will do. So after you have done this, just close this window, and again you will come back to this one. Now as you are done with this, so just select this graph. As you can see for the first one, now we have done for the first, we need the third and fourth graph that we got in the scope, right? So when I click on this first one is selected by default, so I'll untick it and I'll take the third one. The third one graph is here, and then I'll select the second one. You can see it is highlighted, and scope 2 is selected, so I'll untick it and I will select the fourth one. So I'll get the fourth graph, and now I will MATLAB figure snapshot there. So I will just take this arrow, just to increase the width. Same for this one. Increase the width. So when you click on this, right click on it, click on the graph. Okay, so as you can see, just don't click on that on the graph plane. Make sure you click on the line. Just click on the line and select the line, so these dots will come, and then to right click, so line width will come. And then you can insert the y-axis. Click on this, insert y-axis. It's done. Again, just go here, save as, stop. The extension below that is JPEG extension, so that you will get an image, and then you can just copy and paste that image in a Word file, or the lab record which you have got in form of a Word file, and yeah, that is how you're gonna do this thing. So that's it. Yeah, so thank you and bye bye.